So this whole thing here is oregano. I started this from a tiny little pot the first year I was gardening, and it has grown to this. My kids come out here and call it their vitamins. They pick from it every day. They just grab the top little piece. It's good for your teeth. It's good for your bad breath if you have gingivitis. And it's not too strong. I mean, you get used to it. I guess I've been eating it for like 5 years, so I'm pretty used to it. But the thing about oregano is it's a perennial, so it comes back every year even more. But the fun thing also about growing perennials like this is I get to share a lot. I have given so much of this oregano away. My mom has gotten it, my brother has gotten it for his birthday. I've given it away to friends that come over. I just rip it out of the ground and put it in a pot and they take it home. And today I am doing that for a local friend here. And we are gonna head to their farm today because on Saturdays they have a market like on their farm where they sell their stuff that they grow and they make from 9 to 12. So we're gonna head there because she would like some of my oregano. So we're gonna do a little garden swap and that'll be fun. So I'm gonna take you along for that today and show you a little bit of their farm. What they have built there is like my dream. Someday we hope to have land that we can have animals and more gardens and separate flower gardens and separate herb gardens. And so it inspires me to see people living that out. So we want to take you along on that little adventure today. Instead of around the house, it's out of the house. All right, Rachel, where are we going?
To Kindred's farm.
Kindred. Where are we going, bud? Can you say Kindred Farms?
Asher Farm.
No, silly boy. Got matcha, got snacks, water bottle. Let's go. Alrighty, let's go have an adventure, farm adventure. The whole reason we're going, and I almost left it on the car. Whew. Oregano. What did we get?
I don't want
Can you say lemon basil?
I don't want to.
We got some lemon basil.
I don't want to drop it.
Yeah, don't drop it. What is this, bud? Can you say calendula?
Don't drop.
It's gonna be a beautiful flower.
Yeah.
Don't take the tag out. Hold on, Rachel, I wanna grab a picture in front of this sign. Okay, Carson, go sit next to Rachel. It says it's pronounced Santa Fe. The sticker on our jam jar is so sweet. It says, here at Kindred Farm, we raise organic produce, flowers, bees, and chickens in a sustainable way that heals the land and grows into beautiful food. We believe life is meant to be shared in community, and we create our unique, homemade artesian goods with that in mind. We hope you love them. Isn't that darling? Can't wait to try that. It's a beautiful thing with social media when you can connect. And Kindred Farms Instagram just exudes peace in what they post and what they share. It's so inspiring, and I love learning from other people. So it was a great visit. We were excited to exchange herbs, and that's a fun thing, to switch and try something new. I'm excited about that. I'm gonna put that in the ground today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Rachel felt inspired by Kindred Farms.
What
What are you eating?